Yo, Dan Mafia. I don't know what one. But 27, gang. Which mean, yesterday was the 26th. Which means thing just keep, bro. And you see from the title, no one over here already. When you see from the title, I can't believe it, bro. Fully BAD and HON0MASITY broke out in a big fight on stage. Just thing. Oh, Jungle. Yo, we gotta react to it and see what go on, gang. We've been following the war. You see me? We've been following the clash in the studio this whole time. So it's only right we follow up the clash on the stage, bro. You see me? I say, I ain't gonna lie. HON0MASITY is the last person I expect to see fully BAD in a war with. Or, you know what I'm saying? But look at them getting out, bro. We have to check out the full performance and see what go on. Look like all Kyodi step out, bro. We gotta see what go on, gang. Let's get it.
Just let alone. The fans are asking. Two officer. One. Yo, boy, say bad or bad? Say fully BAD. Yo, I can't see my man in a bill from a corner to kill another. Yo, all the money in the dog. Yo, boy. Boy, like bad people that got up. All that people that want to defend themselves. We are looking at boy. I will not back that. I am looking at signature. Tell them about the man, better man, talk about daddy man, Bangali and Anapol, daddy man, what is the one like happy man? What I know? And then we have the other one, the shadow one, move and the kind of stuff, running at the left, the back to the other and up the top of.
Alright.
What I know?
When like people are left do that, the crowd no look too.
Before I'm moving, I'm on in there. Off my mind, I stop my down. Look for me. Say one bad guy. We can't tell about it. Fully and body, Kyodi are coming. We have chick black, the two of them best family, they pull up on the last time. Fight three, what's it? All upon.
Yo, fully and the bodies. You see me? Kyodi are coming. Oh, man, alien out. Alien out. Marble. I come with a full fit. Yes, no? Dog frighten your fuck. Man, so take everything when the Glock hole and back skin out like gal on the back road. Oh, nice, gang. Hey. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my! Where? What just happened? Where does HON0MASITY come from? Man, you come in here walk how much up you war for, dog? Nah, dog. Where? This is between Fully and Kyodi. Where HON0MASITY come, bro? How are you, bro? Hey. I forgot in tune. What the bomb buckler? What that? No, dog, make man get a thump off an artist, dog. No, dog. You. Yeah, beat up the boy, beat the boy, beat the. Yeah, I love. You want one?
That's it. It's a closing of 2020.
John, no, dog. Hey, boy, Honomosity. Hey, boy, Honomosity come ruin the show, dog. Hey, dog. Boy, Honomosity, boy, mash up the show, dog. He don't thump off for him face, dog. No. Oh, the bomb. Ja, all the bomb. Let go for a man, Babylon boy. Let go for artist. Let go for artist, bro. Hey, boy, Honomosity, me a find you for me, you know, me a find me a mash you up, you know, boy. Hey! Lord.
Listen, I hear me with the mic then. Come here, we're going to go for the mic. It wasn't supposed to happen that way. It was supposed to be a
Yeah, I know, boy, Honomosity ruined the show was about the nice thing, you know, dog.
confrontation.
Oh, man.
Honomosity wanted to eat the cake, and I don't know what happened just now. But we're going to thank everyone for coming out.
I am that. Oh, Honomosity, hold on, pan.
Safe journey home. Safe journey home.
Yo, I want the bomb, man. Yo. Honomosity running and ruining the man them. To not lie that, ruining the man them show, dog. Because Kyodi and Fully Bad have a good blood clash. See, Kyodi didn't even get caught up in that shit. Kyodi just take for himself. Bombati dog, get fat up. Pombo clean. Money man dog, man a big house. Yo, Honomosity, bro. Bomba. Damn, I know so Honomosity are no big artist, bro. Cause my own go on there all on pan half there. Fully Bad and blood clean. Fully Bad and Kyodi gone. G Poppy artist, dog. Move your blood, please. Oh man!
Right now, you got to get them right now. AI takes me up yourself. Take care of yourself. Production, I understand. Tall and terrific, young and sexy. I am.
Ah, damn, man, they call Rooney look niceness. The man, they Rooney look niceness, dog. You look thing like man, good, you know, dog. How the fuck? Yeah, we have to pull it back up. I have to pull it back up right now. Hold on. I have to pull it back up right now. Hold on. Yo! Bro, I don't know where Honomosity come from in this, bro. What you talk? Hey, Kyodi, forgot. Kyodi, so funny, she not forgot him lyrics. Yo. Yo, oh yeah. I'm pushing my hey, push. Yo, that's why that guy fat up, you know. Cause he that liquid fully bad gear dog with the mic. Yo, what on yo, where you do, bro? Auntie, move your blood. Wait, I come try to get strife off my heart. Oh, I go. Ah, shall wait. Now blocky chair. I say dog, I will run out and punch you, dog. It's a one punch in the dog face. Okay, it and then you run gone. I swear doing a like fully bad that. Yo. See, fully bad you dog, so like a whole lot of fully bad. Hold on to the smuddy. A fully bad brother that. Oh, fully bad brother that. Yo, pussy. Dog, licky dog with that blood.
That's it.
Hey boy, go there. Kick here, hey boy.
That's it. It's a closing of 2020.
Hold on, pan fully bad HON0MASITY or so. No, HON0MASITY and other you hold on pan. Fully bad take for himself. Bad he got take for himself. Fully bad cut. Oh, it's me. Yo, that's crazy, bro. Man, crazy situation going on, man.
Yo! Where my fire phone? I'm talking at this. Catch everything from the phone. Listen, I hear me with the mic there. Come here, we're going to go for the phone.
It wasn't supposed to happen that way. It was supposed to be a lyrical confrontation.
That's crazy, man. Crazy situation, guy. What y'all think about this, man?
I don't know why.
And still we're upon HON0MASITY, dog, guy. Swell up! Well, the man face, dog. You swell up. Oh my gosh, yo. Evo? Me don't know that no look good, man. Fully bad take for himself, Kyodi take for himself. I hear fault I went up on the dog them stages, even you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, people are mad thing. One thing about the one day. You see me? I say, my know thoughts in the comment section. Definitely, we chop it up, bro. What y'all think about Sting 2023? What you think about Kyodi and Fully Bad performance? What you think about the whole HON0MASITY crashing the stage? And it's a crazy look, man. Bro, people, this just happened this morning, so me have to get it out to the right away. Get with the reaction now. Me just wake up and be like, yo! You see me? Because I was preing the performances all night, and then this morning I'm like, yo, I gotta get this out to y'all, man. So, but it's crazy, gang. Yeah, crazy situation, man. But big up everybody, you know, big up Sting, big up Fully Bad, big up Kyodi, big up HON0MASITY. HON0MASITY couldn't run on for the dog stage. Cause the man them they have a good clash. After people just beg extra time and all this thing. You see me I say gang, but hey man, they were gonna have a good clash, bro. I could tell. The crowd was getting energized, all of this. It's a good look. But too bad, so sad that happened, man. Big up every time for the production. You see me I say gang. Definitely go check out over there and watch the video over there, full video over there. But yo, Yeah, man. Sting 2023 minutes, I expect this. What do you think about that, gang? We know in the comment section. Chop it up. Talk to y'all later. Gang.